case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit was faced with an intriguing example of vexatious litigation in 2007 when wheelchair user Jarek Molski and his attorneys, the Frankovich Group, launched multiple lawsuits against ethnic restaurants alleging violations of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. The case underlined district courts' power to regulate bad faith litigation, placing the spotlight on the delicate balance between the deterrent effect of sanctions and a person's right to access the courts. At the center of the case was an alleged incident at the Mandarin Touch restaurant, where Molski claimed that insufficient accessibility led to a hand injury as he exited the restroom. Upon inspection, the court discovered that the Frankovich Group had meticulously reproduced this litigation formula across multiple complaints, making identical claims and demands in each lawsuit. Moreover, they adopted the controversial tactic of dissuading defendants from engaging legal counsel, insisting they would be better off investing in settlement and ADA violation mediation. The tactics of Molski and his legal squad, however, backfired spectacularly. The district court responded by labeling Molski a vexatious litigant and imposing a pre-filing order on the Frankovich Group. Undeterred, Molski and another entity known as DREES launched an appeal against these damaging orders. Ultimately, the appellate court upheld the district court's declination of sanctions fled by Evergreen Dynasty and Mandarin Touch as premature, and stood firmly by its pre-filing orders against Molski and the Frankovich Group. The pattern of exaggerated claims and insincere litigation, intended to intimidate small businesses into cash settlements, was deemed sufficiently egregious to warrant the sanctions. Further disappointment awaited as the McInernys, who hoped to participate in the appeal, were dismissed due to a lack of jurisdiction. The verdict delivered a resounding message against vexatious litigators and served as a necessary reminder of the court's commitment to preserving the equity and the integrity of the legal system.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.